Okay, in this video we're continuing with subtraction using the double number line model just to gain an understanding of why our subtraction algorithms actually make a lot of sense. So we're going to start off with 1/5 minus 1/10, and we set up our number line, and the first thing we're looking for is what does 5 and 10 go into in a friendly way. What number works? I'm going to pick 10. A fifth of 10 is just 2. That's 1/5. And the reason there is that 5 goes into 10 five times, or twice, excuse me. So the 1/5 of 10 is 2. 1/10 of 10 is just 1. And we're subtracting, so really we're looking at this distance right here. And that's a distance of 1. So our answer can be a distance of 1 out of 10. That's our scale. And we can use this to solve each of these fractions. Next we have 6 and 12. Both go nicely into 12, right? 6 and 12. So we start with 3 out of 6, and that's just a half, right? So we could just say, what's half of 12? That's 6, and that's 3/6. And if that doesn't convince you, think, what is 1/6 of 12? That's 2. So 3/6 will be 4/6, right? 3 of those 2's gives us 6 out of 12, and 3/6 is half. 1/12 is just 1. 1 out of 12. And we're looking at the distance between these two. So how far is it from 6 down to 1? That's 5. So here my answer is 5 out of 12. That's our scale. And last but not least, we have 3/7 minus 1/14. Problem that doesn't seem very intuitive, but we can still make it intuitive on this model. First, we want to pick a distance of the number line that works nice at sevenths and 14ths. I'm going to pick 14 because 7 and 14 both go into it. What's 3/7 going to be? Well, 1/7, 7 goes into 14 twice, 2 times. So 3/7 has to be 6. Right? Each seventh takes up 2. So 3/7 is 6. 1/14 is just at 1. And here we're trying to find the distance between them. And this distance is 5 out of 14. And again, in each of these cases, we're just looking at the distance between the two numbers relative to the scale. Right? 5, that was our distance out of 12. Now our distance is 5, but it's out of 14, and that determines our answer. Alright, we'll do a couple more of these.